Let's make coconut macaroons. Add 1 cup sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a large bowl, and mix well. Then add 2 large egg whites, along with a pinch of salt to a bowl. Mix until you have stiff peaks. Add the coconut mixture to the egg whites and fold until combined. Easy as that. Use a tablespoon to scoop it out and place it on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes until golden brown around the edges. Let them cool for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. You can eat them plain, or melt 1/2 cup of chocolate chips using the microwave or the double boiler method on the stovetop. Dip the bottoms of the macaroons in the chocolate, then place them back on the sheet pan. Chill for about 30 minutes so the chocolate can set. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.